That's nice and cold. That's about outdoor temperature, which is in the 80s right now. Might be high 70s, I'm not too sure. I gotta check the temperature after I'm done recording. Ton from 1999. These all replaced old Comfort Maker heat pumps from presumably 1986, because that's when this building was built, and this complex was built with Comfort Makers. This particular building was built in 86, so I assume there were all 86s here at one point. Yeah. I was started with this Trane XE1000 with a Climatuff reciprocating compressor. So yeah, thanks for watching. Over and out.